Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Zifa, it's nice to meet you. So today, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a review on the Fresh face mask Don't Look At Me. So Don't Look At Me is a fresh face mask, as I just said, and it is a beautiful, beautiful bright blue colour, which is amazing. I just love it, the colour of it so much. I'm going to be completely honest, this does not suit my skin type. But I bought it because of the colour, because I wanted to take pictures. And yes, I know that's super embarrassing, and yes, I know I lied to the girl who was serving me, but I really wanted to try this beautiful blue face mask. So the scent from it is very lemony. This one I was gonna do I just got it on my finger and it's very sticky. For fresh face masks, they usually last a few weeks and you have to keep them in the fridge. I live in Ireland and I live like 4 hours away from a LUSH store, so I have to get my stuff from either online, and online face masks that are fresh cannot be shipped, so there's a no-go with fresh face masks for online. So my sister lives in the UK. I was over at her wedding in January. I know it's crazy, it's almost May and I still have it. But I have not used it in ages and I really needed to film this video, but I had no time, so that's why I'm not trying it on in this video, because I had planned to. But yeah, I don't know, I really love the idea of fresh face masks and having them in the fridge and having them cooling, but I think my skin suits something better to like Eau de Fix or whatever it's called, like Eau de something. I'll have the name on the screen, but my skin would suit better to that face mask, but I did want to try this one because it was so bright and so blue and so gorgeous. So yeah, I have tried it about 5 times, and then it kind of was getting to the old age kind of stage, so I didn't try it. I'm gonna dump it after this video and keep the pot. But yeah, it says here, we caught you looking, and it was the regenerating mask, wasn't it? With cleansing lemon juice and scrubby ground rice, we don't blame you. So as I said, the first scent that you smell when you open that face mask is just lemon. It is very nice, it's very calming, but it does kind of have a bad effect if you have more dry skin. My skin would be very combination, it would be very like oily on my nose kind of, especially in the summer, and then it'd be very dry. I do use all other skincare products suited to my skin, which is good, but I feel like 3 days after I use that face mask I do find my skin needs a hydrating mask, just because it's so drying. It's supposed to, like, you know, help your skin a lot and dry out your stuff. So if you have oily skin, that will be a really good face mask to use. I do really enjoy the face mask, and I do love when it's coming out of the fridge and it's cold and it's refreshing on your face. It does really feel good. But yeah, I really love it. I also love the name of it. It's very original, it's one that you can remember all the time. And it's super nice face mask. It is kind of a pity that I've only tried out once, because I can't like compare it to anything else, but I don't get a chance at all to kind of experiment or try out fresh face masks, which I really wish I did. But it's really cool. I did also, it kind of has like, it doesn't dry as quickly as other face masks. Maybe it's because it's fresh, I don't know. But another one that I use is the green one, the mint one. I have no idea how to pronounce it, but I'm going to leave it on. Mask Amenity. I have no idea how to pronounce that. I know it's probably wrong, but that's one of my favourite LUSH face masks, but it's not a fresh one. But that'll dry very quickly. But Don't Look At Me, you could leave it on for like an hour and a half and it would feel fine. Like, but if you left the mask amenity on for too long, your face kind of feels like it's cracking and you can't move it. But I don't know if it's a difference in the fresh face mask or the self-preserving one, or if it's, and I don't know, but like that's one of the biggest differences I noticed with it. It is pretty nice. I did enjoy it, but I don't think I would buy it again, just because it doesn't suit my skin type. In years to come, if it did suit my skin type, of course I'd buy it again, because it just looks so pretty. But I think I'd be aiming more for the drying, hydrating, for the dry skin hydrating kind of masks. So yeah, the next one on my to-do list to try out is the Odafix one, and I'm super excited, but I have to wait until I go back and visit my sister. But that is pretty much all for the review. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see other reviews on products that I did from Lush, I will leave them in the cards below and in the description. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have tried that face mask, or if you want to try it, or tell me anything about it, you can leave it down below and tell me how you found it as well, in case I'm crazy. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you soon with a brand new video.